Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan expressed how upset she was with the behavior of parliamentarians. We're being told that a paper ball was reportedly thrown at the Speaker's table. Speaker Sumitra Mahajan registered her unhappiness before adjourning proceedings for the day. Unprecedented behavior inside Parliament. Opposition members have been disrupting proceedings throughout the monsoon session of Parliament. What we're being told that somebody, one of the MPs there, threw a paper ball at the Speaker's chair. As she adjourned the House for the day, Sumitra Mahajan said that she was extremely upset and that the chair of the Speaker is repeatedly being disrespected by MPs inside Parliament. Let's get a word from Shiv Arur, who's with us on the phone line. Shiv, what exactly happened there?
Total chaos as usual, Simi, where you had all of the protesting MPs get down into the well of the House. They were waving placards, they were shouting. You couldn't even hear what the Speaker, Sumitra Mahajan, was actually saying. But her last words before adjourning the Lok Sabha for the day were, "I am extremely upset, मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ," and the Parliament has been adjourned till the next day. And this happened amidst insane, absurd scenes inside Parliament. I mean, for a public that's been, become accustomed, to violent scenes of protest inside Parliament, a great deal of absurdity as well. I think this is a new low that's been achieved today, with
Absolutely.
some of those MP actually hurling paper balls at the Speaker's chair, waving placards, and in a menacing sort of way. So in that sense, it's in the best possible way. It's another day lost in Parliament, more crores of public money lost, and only 3 days left in this session. But the worst part is the manner in which it's actually happened, and it's played out on live television for the entire country to see, Simi.
Absolutely, extremely shameful there. MPs throwing paper balls at the Speaker's chair. Shiv, stay on with us. Let's also get a word from our Deputy Editor, Brijesh Pandey, who's with us on the phone line. Brijesh, who were these MPs who were protesting in the well of the House, and have images of that incident been captured on cameras installed inside Parliament? And I will try and reconnect with Brijesh. Shiv Arur is with us on the phone line. Shiv, it won't be difficult to actually identify who these unruly MPs were who threw paper balls at the chair, considering that there are cameras installed all over the House.
Simi, in fact, it's only a matter of time before we find out who those MPs really were, and what guidelines and strictures they've actually disobeyed by indulging in such behavior. Remember, it's been barely a few days, Simi, since 25 MPs from the Congress party were actually suspended for their behavior inside Parliament by the Speaker, and now you've seen this kind of behavior once again. Politically speaking, the Congress and other parties obviously reacting to the manner in which they've evidently been isolated within the House, but on a larger picture, I think the face-off between the Congress and the ruling BJP as of this time over the GST and other business is amplified by the fact that zero business has been conducted in this particular session, and perhaps even more importantly, the issues that the Congress has wanted to discuss threadbare within Parliament, even those discussions haven't really happened. Remember, today the goods and services tax, a crucial legislation, was to have been transacted or at least discussed in Parliament. There was also supposed to have been a discussion on the Lalit leaks and the Lalit Gate controversy inside Parliament. Neither of those two things has actually happened in any kind of substantive manner. So it's become noise over substance. It's become chaos over legislation and business inside Parliament. And I think for the Indian public watching this, this has become par for the course. It's become normal now.
Absolutely, noise over substance, complete chaos inside Parliament. Brijesh Pandey, I believe, is now with us on the phone line. Brijesh, tell us what exactly happened there. I'm afraid we've lost that line with Brijesh. Once again, scenes of complete chaos inside the Lok Sabha. We're being told that some opposition MPs threw paper balls at the chair. Sumitra Mahajan extremely upset. She said she felt extremely hurt and disappointed at the behavior of parliamentarians. Once again, scenes of complete chaos. But what we're basically seeing is that discipline also worsening inside the House. MPs now resorting to all kinds of antics, throwing paper balls at Speaker Sumitra Mahajan.